YouTube. It's more than just a website, it's a platform, a launchpad for dreams, and it's waiting for you. Every day, millions of people tune in, eager for content. Your content. Whether it's sharing your knowledge, your humor, or your unique perspective, YouTube offers a global stage. It's a chance to connect, inspire, and yes, even earn big. But it all starts with taking that first step. Think of the creators you admire, the ones who make you laugh, think, or learn something new. They all started right where you are now, with an idea. The beauty of YouTube is that it levels the playing field. You don't need fancy equipment or a Hollywood budget, just passion, dedication, and a story to tell. The potential of YouTube is limitless. It's a place where anyone, regardless of background, can find an audience and build a community. Forget overnight success. Focus on creating quality content that speaks to you. Be authentic, be passionate, be consistent. So, are you ready to unlock your YouTube potential? Let's do this. Before you hit record, let's talk strategy. The YouTube universe is vast. To stand out, you need a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about than anyone else? Gaming, cooking, travel? Find that sweet spot where your interests intersect with audience demand. Think of your niche as your YouTube channel's identity. It's what will draw viewers in and keep them coming back for more. Don't be afraid to get specific. Instead of a general cooking channel, focus on vegan baking or mastering French cuisine. The more defined your niche, the easier it will be to target your audience and tailor your content. Research is key. Explore YouTube and see what's already out there within your chosen niche. What are other creators doing well? What gaps can you fill? What unique perspective can you bring? Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel, but you do need to offer something fresh and engaging. Once you've found your niche, own it. Become the go-to expert in that area. Be passionate, knowledgeable, and most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is magnetic on YouTube. Let your personality shine through and your audience will connect with you on a deeper level. You've got your niche, now it's time to build your YouTube home. Setting up your channel is exciting, but it's important to do it right. First impressions matter. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Keep it short, catchy, and relevant to your content. Next, create a visually appealing channel banner and profile picture. These are the first things viewers see, so make them count. Use high-quality images that represent your brand and grab attention. Your channel description is your elevator pitch. Use it to clearly and concisely tell viewers what your channel is about and what they can expect. Think about your channel trailer. This is your chance to hook potential subscribers from the get-go. Create a short, engaging video that showcases your best content and personality. Keep it concise, high energy, and make sure it leaves viewers wanting more. Don't forget the technical stuff. Familiarize yourself with YouTube settings and features. Organize your content into playlists. Add end screens to promote other videos, and enable closed captions for accessibility. The more professional and user-friendly your channel is, the more viewers will stick around. Section 4. Creating content, engaging your audience. Here's where the magic happens. Creating engaging content is the heart and soul of your YouTube channel. Remember, you're not just creating videos, you're building a community. Your content should inform, entertain, or inspire your audience. First and foremost, quality over quantity. It's better to upload one amazing video a week than several mediocre ones. Invest in decent equipment, learn basic editing skills, and most importantly, plan your content in advance. Keep your videos concise and to the point. Attention spans are short, so get to the good stuff quickly. Use clear and engaging visuals, add music or sound effects, and don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats. Interaction is key. Respond to comments, ask for video suggestions, and create polls to keep your audience engaged. The more you interact, the more invested your viewers will become. Don't be afraid to show your personality, be authentic, be passionate, and most importantly, have fun. Section 5. Growing your channel and turning passion into profit. You've poured your heart and soul into creating amazing content. Now it's time to grow your audience and turn your passion into profit. But remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Promote your channel on other social media platforms, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your viewers in the comments section. Monetization, the magic word. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning ad revenue. But that's just the beginning. Explore other monetization options like sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Diversify your income streams and build a sustainable business around your channel. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Remember, success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and never stop learning. Stay true to your vision, engage with your community, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams. The world is waiting to hear your story.